the content of our standard package for any type of our machines. Here's just an example of SP61, the machine, the control panel, power supply cable, connection cord between the control panel and the machine. When setting up your machine, alignment flange, neck flange where you adapt the machine inside, and straight flange. All these comes 2 of each. And the legs, you can order extra legs or larger legs if you will machine larger diameters. The cutter tools, tool holder, these are all in the standard package, including 2 meters bar. This can be 40 mm or 60 mm according to the machine type. As extra options, we can offer many different optional extras, like as digital touch screen control panel can be an optional. Welding kit is an optional with 40 mm or 60 mm or 25 mm depending on the diameter you will use. The welding bar, the cables, connection, also the control button for using short or long necks nozzle and nozzles are in the package. Also, as an option, the facing tool comes for 40 mm, 60 mm or 25. There's also option for reducer kit to 25 mm from 40 mm or 60 mm machines, and that comes with the extra flanges to adapt to as 40 mm or 60 mm machine you will buy. You can see at the back we have plenty of models: SP65, SP60, 60 Mega, Kasov series, Kasov 4025, 6025, the Scorpion, and also Jumbo. You can see in our website, in our pages, and everywhere. Thank you very much.